This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and immediately saving a backup copy. This prevents accidental changes. Once done, enable editing and calculations so formulas update in real time. You then scan headers to identify the columns that contain the data you need and note a few sample values to search for. Make sure filters are visible and the sheet is unprotected. If not, unprotect or ask for access so you can run the next steps without interruption. You begin by pressing Ctrl+F and choosing exact match or wildcards to locate initial hits. This gives a quick map of where the values live. Next, apply filters on headers or use conditional formatting to visually mark all matches across the sheet so patterns emerge. Then use XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, or index/match to pull corresponding rows into a summary area. These formulas let you extract related fields reliably. Make sure ranges are. You consolidate by copying filtered or formula-driven results into a new sheet for clean analysis, which prevents accidental edits to the source. Once copied, validate several extracted rows against your original samples to confirm accuracy. This step catches mapping errors. If you find mismatches, check cell formats, text versus number, remove hidden spaces with trim, and verify that formula ranges include the entire dataset. Finally, save a versioned file and document the steps so you can reproduce or revert changes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.